Do you have Amazon gift card and you want to sell your gift card for it to get to your bank account? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can sell your Amazon gift card. Before we go on, use the code on the screen or the link in the description box or the link in the pinned comment to download this app called tbay. On tbay, you can sell your Amazon gift card, and I'm going to be walking you step by step on how you can sell your Amazon gift card to Naira. Please like this video, and if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel for more updates like this. When you download the tbay app, I've done a video before on how you can download the tbay app and all the necessary steps you need to download the tbay app and how you can do that. So this video is not going to be about that. On the tbay app, there are different types of Amazon gift cards. You have the USD gift card, you have the Great Britain gift card, Amazon gift card, you have the Canadian Amazon gift card, and you have the European/Germany Amazon gift card. So depending on the one you have in your possession, before you sell your gift card, it is important that when you download this app, you bind your account to the app so that you can receive the payment as soon as you are paid. For those who may not have watched the other video, I will just quickly show you where you need to go to in order to bind the account. So you would provide all the necessary information that they ask for, put your account details, so that as soon as the transaction goes through, because tbay has a lot of reputable traders, as soon as the transaction goes through, it will come to your account, your bank account. There's no story anywhere. Okay, so when you want to do the transaction on tbay, you have to look at which card do you have. Do you have USD, Great Britain, Canadian, European, Germany? Because like I said, they have different ones and the prices are not the same. So for instance, if you look at the screen, you can see that they have different traders, and these different traders, not all trades are the same. So if you have 25 between 25 to 100 value of gift card, the price is different from somebody that is the trader that is willing to, that has a limit of 100. Okay, so there are different limits. So when you come on this platform, you have to pay attention, because you can see that this person that is selling limit of 25 to 100, another person has limit of 100 to 200, another person has limit of 25 to 100, 101 to 200, 25 to 100, 101 to 200. Now these are different traders, but the average price that they are selling on this platform as of today, when I'm recording this video, because you know that the prices fluctuate, is 764 naira 0.29. Now this particular trader takes physical cards. You have e-cards, you have physical cards, so they need receipts. So to trade, in order to sell your gift card with this person, Amazon gift card with this particular trader, the next person, physical cards, not e-cards. Are you seeing it? Physical cards, fast and reliable. So this person's own rate is 101 to 200. This person is selling at 745 naira 0.65. Another person has limit of 25 to 100. They are doing physical. I'm going to show you how, but I just want to ensure that you understand this, what I'm saying. So they've done over 500,000 trades, this particular trader. So they do physical fast and reliable, needs receipts, physical fast and reliable. All of them are saying physical. So let's go with this first person. Let's say you have 25, what's it called now, 25 cards, 25 value to sell. So you come here, click on sell. So you see, sorry, I think I clicked the wrong place. So you click on sell. Good. When you click on sell, you see they put it here, only Amazon cards starting with code AQ. E-code rate will be lower than physical cards. So note, on T-Bay it has to be physical cards. Are you seeing it? And the currency selected is USD, right? So we want to trade 30 USD. So they say you get 18 points, 18.57 points if you want to sell 30, assuming you have that card for 30. So the original price plus 0.2, yeah, all those ones, all those details. Then you have to upload, you enter the gift card code here. This is where you are going to enter the gift card code. Then you will upload the card images. Okay, remember they are not doing e-card, they only do physical card. So when you click here, you have to upload the card image. You snap your camera. So if you have the card, you open this camera place, then you snap it. Are you seeing it? It's really very simple. Then when you come down, you have this you have live chats. Then you have reviews about the vendor. Somebody says nice. This person says he doesn't know what usually happens. So if you have a dispute with any vendor on this platform, one of the beautiful things about this platform is that when you sell, the platform is going to hold on to the card until you confirm that you have received your payment, before they will now release the card or whatever you're buying to the other vendor. You understand? So the platform allows you to settle any differences that you may have with your vendor. So it is very simple. So when you do all of that, you put your this, then you go to sell. You see, it's really simple. Let's say you are in a hurry and you want to quickly sell your Amazon gift card. If you see the screen, you can see this place called fast transaction. It's to speed up what you want to sell. So it says choose currency USD. You want to sell any of the cards. So we're just going to scroll down to Amazon. So here is 810. So if it is between 25 to 100, 765. If it's between 100 to 200, 745. So you choose the category that you belong to. Let's say this, enter gift card amount 30. Are you saying it? So but they'll make the process faster if you use this fast transactions to do it. So you must have put your account details before, so that whatever account you want to receive it, you will get your money. So it's really very simple to sell your Amazon gift card on this platform, T-Bay. So remember to use the code on the screen, and as well as the link in the description box. Like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.